Hello dear students, today we are going to study the milkman's cow. Here in this chapter, the cow of this milkman was not ready to go anywhere today. He refused to move from the middle of the road. Then the milkman begged the cow to get up, but the cow did not move from that road. Then along came a policeman. His buttons and buckles gleamed bright, but the policeman said that I will show you to do it right. Means he said I am going to show how to move this cow from the road. But he he joined the milkman and the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. He was not ready to go anywhere that day. Okay. Along came a grocer with bag of potatoes. Grocer means the man who is selling the food items, okay, who sells the food item. Then the grocer with his bag of potatoes and peas, he said, I will move this cow with the greatest of ease means very easily I am going to move this cow. But the grocer, the policeman and the milkman, they for three of them, they pulled the cow, tugged, but he was not ready to go anywhere that day. Then along came a wrestler. Wrestler, it means the person who fights, okay, one who fights. Then the wrestler also tried his best, but his muscles gleam in the sun. He said, I have the strength of 10 horses. What did he say? The wrestler said, I had strength of 10 horses. So this should be fun. The wrestler, the grocer, the policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow was not going anywhere that day. Means he was in a bad mood. He refused to go anywhere that day. He was not moving from the road. Okay. Along came the ice cream man jingling his cart. Cool down, cool down. It can't be too hard, he said. The ice cream man also joined these people, the wrestler, the grocer, the policeman and the milkman. Okay. But the cow did not want to go anywhere that day. Then came a small boy. He held out a sheaf of tasty green. Okay, green means green grass. Okay, the cow begged to chew. The cow began to chew the grass. He slowly led her to the side, for he knew what to do. This boy picked some grass in his hand, and he make the cow stand up, and he moved slowly with the grass in his hand. And when he moved, the cow also, along with the boy, the cow also started moving with the boy. And then what happened? He get up and he stood and he went on the side of the road, and they were very happy. And the grocer, they clapped. The grocer clapped, the policeman twirled his stick in joy, the wrestler grinned, and the ice cream man also whooped at the cleverness of the boy. The milkman happily clattered his pail. Okay. Then pail means balti. Okay. Then being kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. See here, it means being kind. When we are kind to a person, he will listen to us. Okay, when we are very kind to the person, he will listen, and he is loving. Love is best. When we love and talk with somebody, when we talk very kindly with somebody, the people, they listen to us, है ना? And the force and strength can fail. By forcing someone, it will not do. Okay, it will not do. It will not work by forcing someone to do some work. So it means you have to kindly with the animal, especially with the animal, we have to behave very kindly. Okay, dear students, so this much, and some new words are there in your book. You can see here down. New words are milkman. You all know what is milkman, the man who sell milk. Okay, then the mood means state of mind. How is the state of mind of a person? It's calm, it's very angry, or it's very cool, like this. Then middle means center of the road. Refused means to reject. Then policeman, you all know, the member of the police force. Grocer means one who sells the food item. Okay, wrestler means one who fights. Ice cream, you all know, frozen dessert. It's a frozen dessert, sweet. It is sweet in taste. Then prayed means to thank God. They all were praying to God. So these are the new words, and some question answers are there, that also I'm going to give you today. So dear students, you have to read this chapter very nicely, slowly and steadily. Okay, and then you have to understand it, and you have to write this new words in your copy also. So just read this chapter. I'm going to send you the question answers also, that also you have to write it in your copy. Okay, thank you dear students.